Hello everyone, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. I've cooked, I can't even tell you how many baked potatoes on the Northern Seclusion channel, Joe and Zach Survival, and lots of people, I put them right into the coals of the fire and they cannot figure out how do you know when they're done? How do you not burn them? So I'm just going to do a quick video here and show you how I do it. It works every time. I mean, if you leave them on too long, they're going to be pretty dry and turn into dust, but if you watch them, they'll be just fine. So the first thing you want to do is take your potato. I like to stab it a few times with a knife. I really don't know if that's that important when you're wrapping it in foil like this, but I've had plenty of potato blowouts in an oven when I didn't do that and it's not in foil, so just a good habit to get into. Just wrap it up in foil. That's it. Well, we've got our fire going here and it's down to, so we have some coals. Just take and throw the potato right up into or kind of against the coals. It's going to be really hot, so be careful. I'm just going to let them sit there right in the coals like that, and I'm not going to do anything to them for about 20 minutes. And then about 20 minutes from now, that's when I would want to come out and put your meat on the fire, because the potatoes will be starting to cook in there. I'm going to try to spin them a little bit, and when I spin them, I'm going to squish them with my two fingers, my finger and my thumb, and see when they're starting to get soft. Well, I just put the pork steaks on the fire here, and I want to flip my potatoes, get them back up into some coals. Everything starts to burn down. They just gave them, they're still hard, they're a little bit soft on the outside, this one was, still has a ways to go. Okay, it's soft. That one's pretty good too. There it is. You just had to squeeze on it till it was squishy. Then you can tell it's done. And you get some of this. Sometimes if they get really hot, or if you let it sit for a while now, the skin will get harder. So when you cut it open and put your butter in it, you'll have that chewy skin on the outside, which is really good.